Hello there, I am Hassan, and in today's video of the tech industry, we will be going to install the Python-Flask to make some enterprise level web applications. So let's get started. So guys, now I am on my computer screen, and so let's start it from scratch. And the first thing you will require to install the Flask Python-Flask is obviously you need to install the Python on your computer. And if you don't have Python installed on your computer, you can just go to Python's original website, which is python.org/downloads, and you can download and install from there. It is a very easy process, and once you have installed the Python thing, all you need to simply is create a new folder and name is anything you want in the Flask application. So I might name this project. Once project is installed, the project folder is created, we can just open up the cmd, just changing the directory to my project folder, which is in desktop. So I have now directory set to project, and from here the magic happens. So I'm clearing up the screen. What you need to now type is, once you have Python installed, this will only work after Python installed, so just go with python-m, which make Python create a folder venv. So in this syntax we are writing Python to create a virtual environment, and virtual environment is here denoted as venv, and venv this thing venv, and just name anything. And by convention I am using this env. You can name env as anything, but by convention I am using env for better understanding. Once we have this, and wait a minute, it will take a minute or two to install and create venv, and we are done with this. I hope recording is nice. And then we need to go with env. Just simply write env, where we have defined env as virtual environment. Just name the env, we are calling env here, and then now type scripts, scripts. So script is a virtual environment folder which is created in env, which takes all the pip thing and pip package installers from Python, and we will just activate. And once you have activated that, you will see this sign env flashing up here. Once you have env activated, you will need to install Python, Flask. So just go with pip install Flask, and there you go. Make sure your internet connection is turned on, because it will require downloads of some softwares. And you can see by convention it is just installing Jinja and everything. If you need to install something more out of this, you can just go pip install Flask by comma anything you want. For example, we will need sessions, and just go ahead and just wait a minute, and it will say collecting Flask sessions, downloading it from the hosted file. And since it is downloading, it is obvious that you will need internet connection. And thanks for watching this video, hope you like it, and if you like it, make sure you give a thumbs up and share this wherever you want.